An alkaline white powder called baking soda is a staple of contemporary kitchens. Baking soda, which functions as a chemical leavened by creating carbon dioxide when combined with an acid, like vinegar, to create bubbles, is mostly responsible for the cake or cookie rising to soft, moist, and fluffy perfection. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 6 baking soda benefits you should know. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. To improve your digestive system. The kind of thing that may ruin your day is digestion, especially if you're the type that gets nervous. Brandon suggests mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with an 8-ounce glass of water every morning to help maintain a healthy feed balance throughout the digestive system for optimal digestion, reduced acid reflux, and healthy bowel functioning. If you frequently experience stomach problems or simply want to improve your overall health. 2. Help as a natural cleaner. A potent, non-abrasive cleanser can be created by combining baking soda and water. One application is to clean the interior of a refrigerator of leftover food residues. To clean your tubs, sinks, and shower curtain, as well as to remove scuff marks from flooring. You can also pour baking soda down the drain with hot water. 3. To keep your kidneys healthy. The importance of the kidneys to your body's processes is obvious. Brandon explains that they rid your body of toxins and promote healthy hormone production. According to studies, patients with chronic kidney disease who took a daily dose of baking soda along with their regular medication were able to delay the degeneration of their kidneys by 2/3 compared to those who didn't. 4. Helps alleviate chemotherapy side effects. The list of baking soda uses for health includes negative effects from chemotherapy. You likely already know how detrimental the side effects of chemotherapy may be if you or someone you know has undergone this cancer treatment. For instance, some people may experience unfavorable changes to their tongue and throat. Every day, rinsing with a baking soda solution can help to lessen these undesirable side effects. 3 times a day, rinse your mouth with a mixture of 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt. 5. Anti-fungal and Antibacterial. Streptococcus mutans, a type of bacteria linked to tooth decay, have been demonstrated to be killed by baking soda. Additionally, it works well against a variety of fungi, including molds, yeasts, and dermatophytes, which can infect human skin and nails. 6. Reduces muscle pain and fatigue. Before engaging in 1 to 7 minutes of continuous difficult activity, taking sodium bicarbonate, sometimes known as bicarbonate loading, may have a moderately beneficial effect on athletic performance. Additionally, prolonged physical exercise, including short bursts of high-intensity training, may benefit from the use of sodium bicarbonate. That's it for today, folks. If there are any other baking soda benefits you think we should know of, kindly share them with us in the comments.